Oh wow, it's a lovely bike, but my goodness me, it's an extreme riding position. Whew. So I'm glad I just made the decision. I got some, what's it called? Speed triple top yoke. And I got some risers, and I got some kind of not, I think it's got an inch rise, the bars have got an inch rise, so it'll bring it up if the risers come about this tall, the bars come along and they'll come up to about here, so it'll be a normal motorcycle and not a race bike. This thing's a headbanger. I mean, my hips are killing me, I must be getting old. I've only done, oh, I don't know how many miles I've done, but I've been down the 75 across to Hockabar and Obiti, and then we just come in. There's a diversion there, the roads, that main road, see where the cars are coming in, you can see them, where the cars are coming. I happen to turn up this road to Lockfoot, which is that way a few miles, and then go to Dumfries that way. We're back to the bike. It's a beautiful thing. I mean, once I get the handlebars sorted out, and it's a wee bit loud, but they say loud bikes save lives. I'll start up in a minute. Once these cars are by, I'll start it up. It's quite busy now. I don't know how to judge how much fuel's in it. I think I'll have to just sit the trip and then just see. Could have a quick look. See how much petrol's in it. It's immaculate. It's only done, I mean, you think about it, it's done less than 800 miles a year. Let's have a look, see how much is in the tank. Oh, there's loads in there. $17,872 miles, that's all. I don't know if all this is real carbon fibre. I've never had real carbon fibre before in my life. Clutch. Clutch is okay. And just apparently the boy wound down the damping. He lifted off. I think he lifted something off, he said. So it's not such a hard ride. The shop owner was a motorcycle racer. He raced RC30s. He bought the VFR for me because he wants to make a replica. So he's used to race bikes, he's used to race suspension and everything. So now this thing will be soft and saggy for him, but it's a beautiful thing. It's got a beautiful piece of engineering in it when you look at it. Absolutely fabulous. Look at that. It's a beautiful day today as well. Look at this lot. The old sun up in the sky. Once these cars are really well, I'll start to go up. I'll just start. There's going to be cars no matter what.